Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a drill beat in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with finding all the instruments that you can play. You can get started with the audio recorder and so on. If you don't have the application guys, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening up it's going to look like the same right here. And now we can get started. So as you can see right here at the top of the screen, once you open it up, you have two options. You have the live loops and the tracks. So here you can go ahead and make your own tracks, but in the live loops you can use already made tracks by Apple. So what you can do is go ahead and take a track right here that's going to give you the basis for your drill beat. As you can see, you have the hip hop option right here that's going to enable you to open up the hip hop section right here. As you can see, you have already a made beat that you can now go ahead and edit on. But if you want to go ahead and create your own beat from scratch, what you can do is go to the tracks option right here and now get started with adding all that you need. So you will need a keyboard guys, obviously a drums for the drum kit and so on. So you want to go ahead and get started playing them. So to get started with recording your instruments, what you want to do is go right here, and at the top of the screen you have the big red circle. Once you click on the big red circle, it's going to start the recording process where you can get started playing, as you can see right here. And once you finish the recording, you can now go into edit mode right here in the upper left corner by clicking the button for mixing, and it's going to open up this new menu where we can find all the instruments that we have, such as our grand piano. We have a audio recorder option that we can use for rapping and so on. So you just want to go ahead and go back and add all the instruments that you want, and after that they'll all appear and you'll be able to save them as your drill bit. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.